got this vehicle from the auction, just arrived. Alrighty, we got it in the garage. So right now we were just assessing the damage. So from what we can see, this reinforcement bar, it was like, I guess it was rear end or whatnot, and it kind of pushed the quarter panel right here. You see the gap right here is super close. Then once you go up a little bit, the gap is normal, but it's still not normal. So the quarter panel got to be like pushed back this way on a frame machine. So, and you got a slight little dent in the quarter panel right there, in this little section right there. So in the trunk, the gap's a little off a little bit. So not major, but it just needs a little attention. So a little TLC, no big deal. So this is the front end damage. So this fender definitely has to be changed. This hood has to be changed for sure. And let's see, let's try to get it open. Let's see, okay, so this header panel whatnot needs to be replaced for sure. So we may need to do a little pulling right here where the apron is. It's just a little crushed. So yeah, so that just need a little pulling and whatnot. So, and this little bracket that holds the header panel is crushed. You see this little bracket right there at the bottom, right here. This little bracket is been on the other side, but for the most part, it looks good. So only 73,000 miles, and it's pretty clean. Just need a little detail or whatnot. So let's detail it real good. Not the leather seats that we wanted, but got the standards. But they came with some WeatherTech floor mats or whatnot, so that's a plus. We're gonna, clean those up and just. We got the other ones in the ones that come with the vehicle in the trunk. So yeah. Oh, we got the headlight assembly that is still good. But only thing is that it's, where is it at? Let's see. Oh, it has a crack right here. It's broke off or whatnot, the tab. So if we can fix it, probably find it and replace the tab. So, but this one is mangled. Woo! The module. Yeah, this is mangled. There's no saving that. So, yep. Damn, look at those rims. We got some nice aftermarket rims that came with the vehicle. So, yeah, that was pretty nice. I think these are, let's see. Where is it at? These are 20s. So, yeah, R20, yep. Oh, these are 20s. They're pretty nice. I like them. We're gonna keep them. So, but we have the front bumper cover that is, I mean, it's mangled. The rear bumper cover is too, but the diffuser is I believe is still intact. You got a little rip right here, but for the most part, it's good. But I think we're gonna change. We gotta stay tuned. So I think we're gonna change it to the SRT front and rear bumpers and the hood. I'm gonna just change this from the stock hood to the one with the scoop. So, yep, that's where we at.